Hi everyone, in this video I'll be installing FydeOS 20 on a second drive and dual booting with Windows. It's great to install it on a second drive to keep things separate from Windows. So I'm going to download it, going to FydeOS.io and then download, and then FydeOS for PC. And it says here to pick your FydeOS for PC, Intel Legacy, which supports Intel Core processors circa 2011 to 2014. Intel Slim. It supports Intel Celeron and Pentium processors, circa 2015 to 2019. Intel Modern, and it supports Intel Core processors, circa 2015 plus. And then last here at the bottom is AMD Graphics. 2011 plus supports AMD Graphics. So for me, I have AMD Graphics, so I'll be selecting this option. And then download. I'll also be downloading Rufus, which will allow me to put the ISO onto a USB drive. So going to rufus.ie, scrolling down, and I'm going to download the portable version. Once everything is downloaded, go into your downloads folder. And so I have Rufus and my downloaded file here. I'm going to extract it, and extract. And now I'm going to plug in my USB drive, cancel, open up Rufus. Yes. Yep, I'll allow it to check for updates. And so it's automatically selected my USB drive at 64 gigabytes. I'm going to select my image. And I'm going to show all files. Select the image. And then hit start. And it gives a warning that everything will be destroyed. Click OK. And then once it's completed, you can close Rufus. And I'm going to open up disk management. Start disk management. And so we see here disk 2, this is my USB drive. And we can see here that it's put the FydeOS installation media on it. And then disk 1 is my NVMe drive. And this is where I'm going to be installing FydeOS. And disk 0, this is my SSD drive where I have Windows. And for disk 1 here, I don't have to use the entire drive. I'm going to be shrinking my D drive to make room for FydeOS. Shrink volume. And I'll do about 50 gigabytes, 50,000. Shrink. Alright, so there's the unallocated space. I'll be creating two new volumes, one for the UEFI partition and one for FydeOS. So I'm going to create a new volume. Next. This will be 512 megabytes. Next. Next. And this will be FAT32. And I'll call this FydeOS UEFI. Next. Finish. And I'm going to create the next volume. Next. 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 exFAT. I'll call it FydeOS. Next, finish. And here, my F drive here, the FydeOS UEFI partition, it's seen as a basic data partition. And in FydeOS, during the install, it won't be seen properly. So I'll have to change this so it's seen as an UEFI system partition. So I'm going to change that. I'm going to go into disk part, start disk part, run as administrator, yes. Type in list disk, and I'm going to select disk 1, and then list partitions, and then so it's the 512 megabyte partition, select partition 2, and then type in help set ID, and I'm going to scroll up and look for the UEFI system partition value in hex, copy it, and type in set ID equals paste. Enter. Alright, it's been set, and we can see here in disk management that has been changed as well. And now I'm going to reboot my computer and go into the BIOS. In the BIOS, ensure that secure boot is disabled, and if you have fast boot, disable it as well. And in my boot options, boot option number 1 is the USB drive, so it's going to boot from it. Or if you have a boot override section, and you can boot into the USB drive. Alright, it's come up, and language and input method. Get started. Install FydeOS, next. And I'm going to do multi-boot installation, next. And I'm going to select my FydeOS target partition. And I'm going to be installing it on the 48 gigabyte partition that I created in Windows. And then the UEFI partition will be the 512 megabyte partition on my NVMe drive. And after installation, how would you like to boot FydeOS? Install and configure Refine for me. And Refine is a boot manager, so it will allow me to select between Windows and FydeOS. Install. So this will take a little bit of time to install. Alright, the installation has finished successfully. Please power off your device first and remove any installation media and power it on again to boot FydeOS. Now if it doesn't boot into FydeOS and it boots into Windows, then you would want to check your BIOS boot order. So that's what I'm going to do just to confirm. In my BIOS here, in my drive boot options, boot option number 1 is Windows and boot option number 2 is the Refine Boot Manager. So I'll have to change that, so boot option number 1 is Refine. And now save changes and exit. Alright, the Refine Boot Manager comes up and I can use the arrow keys and there's FydeOS, there's Windows, and then I can shut it down and I can reboot. So I'm going to go into Fyde. Alright, Fyde starts up and the screen looks familiar, which is expected, and then I'm going to hit OK. Get started. And there's the terms of service, accept and continue. Privacy statement, accept and continue. And here it says which online account would you like to use, a FydeOS account or a Google account. I'm going to use a local account. Use a local account. And here it's asking you to create a local FydeOS account. So fill in your username and password. Next. And here's introducing FydeOS AI, your OS level AI assistant. Next. Change display and text size. Next. Personalize your display theme. Next. And then I'm going to uncheck this. Join FydeOS User Experience Improvement Plan. Get started. Alright, and now I'm in FydeOS. And if I go and open up the menu here, there's no Play Store. So I'm going to fix that. So the first thing is to activate the Android subsystem. Going to my messages, activate the Android subsystem. I agree. Launch. Alright, it has completed. I'm going to close. And next, I'm going to enable developer mode. So going into my settings, scroll down, FydeOS settings, enable developer mode, confirm, and restart. Go into Fyde, log in, and I'm going to close this welcome recap screen. Open up a terminal, Control-Alt+T, and I'm going to go into the shell, type in shell, and I'm going to sudo-i, and then I'm going to run the cross-system mode switch script, and I'm going to disable root file system verification. And it's asking to reboot now, yes. Go back into Fyde. Recap screen comes up again, no thanks. And I'm going to open up the FydeOS App Store. Going to configure OpenGApps, add app. Going to open it up. I agree. Next. Install. Next. Install. Okay. It's completed. And now I'm going to reboot. And this will be the last one. Go back into Fyde. And then no thanks for the recap. And then we see the Play Store here at the bottom. And we open it up and we see the Play Store. So I'm going to start it up. Sign in. Alright, and the Play Store comes up. So that's it. That's how you can install FydeOS 20 on a separate drive, do a boot with Windows, and get the Play Store working. I hope this video was useful, and I thank you for watching. Bye now.